I think one of the key aspects about utilizing GS as your power unit provider or solving your system problems with power units is that we can develop hydraulic solutions that are lubrication, air cooling systems, water cooling systems, all different types of hydraulic power units, from very small power unit systems all the way up to very large 1,500, 2,000 gallon systems. And we can deal with very thick oils. We've done systems for ISO 320, ISO 150, standard power units, so we can go with very plain Jane. We make production power units that are repeatable, that we've been doing for 25 years. We've also got power unit systems that are customs and one-offs, but the bigger aspect is that the technologies that we can bring to the table, PLC control, advanced sensor systems, monitoring all the machine performance functions. Our integration capability gives us the ability to manage all that. We've done systems for Australian rules wiring, South African wiring, CE approved power units. All of our power units fall under the ISO 4403 requirements for stationary power units. So we're able to take all of the technologies and quality standards that are required for power unit systems and bringing those to bear as we do those every day.
So we had a customer come to us and was looking for a small power unit solution that had the control system completely embedded into it. So it's control box and power unit all in one weldment. This has some very clear advantages in terms of installation, things of that nature. It's got an embedded pump in the reservoir, but then we have the controller, the motor starter, everything inside of the control box. The system has a fully programmed J1939 CAN display on the outside, giving all the parameter information that's going on. This machine is a very large door control, so we're dealing with hangar doors, very large doors for construction equipment and things of that nature. And those doors can get quite large, 60 feet wide, 90 feet wide, but you have a power unit that now can actually run the cylinders or the motor systems, depending on the version, to raise and lower the door in a timely manner. But that's a custom solution that now can be installed on site, 100% tested, 100% ready to go, and fully wired, and we can move that to a UL 508 requirement if we need to. So we really brought all the technologies of our mobile controls platform and put it into a stationary power unit solution. It's about ease of installation. The advantage of this design is it's small enough you could put it onto a wall, you can put it into a remote spot, but you don't have to have a control box then wire everything to a power unit. It's all integrated, 100% built, and then that way the customer and the installer just has to hook up hoses and hook up main power and you're ready to go. But by creating that integration of controls and motor pump technology all in one unit and then enclosing it and then having a cover on it that you can have now painted, we can apply all of those things to these applications. So that's another reason to have an integrated motor pump control box combo.